In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a countdown timer in CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is go and download a timer that you want to use in your video footage. Now, what I like to do is head over to the website pixabay.com, click on videos, and then in the search box, just type in the word timer and press enter. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see there's a bunch of different timers that you can go and use for your video. The one that I like to use is this one here. So I'm just going to click on it like so and go and download this to my computer. Once you've downloaded your timer, you can simply drag it onto your video layer like this. And then we can reposition and also resize this accordingly. Now from here, just click on the video footage of your timer, click on the basic in the top navigation, and then we're going to scroll down to blend and click on the drop down arrow. Next to mode, click on the drop down arrow again, and from here, select brighten. Now this is going to give it a transparent effect. And if you want to resize this, you can just by adjusting the scale, and you can also reposition this anywhere on the video. If you want to add a background to this timer, then you can change the blend mode back to default. Click on mask in the top navigation, click on add mask and select rectangle. Now we can just go in, reposition this background like so, and you can round off the corners to create a kind of circular rectangular effect. If you need to reposition the timer, then you can always click back on the basic tab and you can go in, reposition this on the screen. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.